Alright, the early evening is about to begin. February 18th, 2024. Tyler, he's here. Coming to you yet again at Ladysmith, as we're going to have the takeoff of the Lifelink III AW109 Trekker, as it is going to be ready to take off from Marshfield Medical Center of Ladysmith after being called for a water rescue by Ladysmith Fire and Rescue. And ambulance 251 should be ready to work its way back in quarters here in a few minutes or so, after getting that patient airlifted from there. So I got a feeling she might fly southward, but I don't know for sure. But in the meantime, I'm going to have a Sia northbound on the way here, so why not we shift our attention to that while that goes on. Let's check it out. Just as I figured, M357, 91 of the 17th, and Lifelink helicopters away. 847, we salute. C6 rebuild of the 3335. Started at Marshfield Yard in Homer, Illinois. It's heading on up to the yard of Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. M357, the national model of TTG X697-014, and also had the WC logo on there as well. And the train device is going for the 357. How about that? How about that? So I did a quick little glimpse of the Lifelink 3 helicopter in this pass, but why not? So that'll do it for the M357, 91 of the 17th, and we'll do it for the 3847 and the C6M rebuild of the second batch of the 3335. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.